Hey, this is Stuart Smith with Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters for a living. Hey people, Stuart Smith with Stuart Designs. We are in Leeds, Alabama. We arrived last night about 7:30 and got a really good night's sleep, and we're going to be throwing down some UV 3D. We're going to be using Dayglow paints and of course past your airbrushes, and we're going to sit there and kill off some black walls, a spinning tunnel, and add some invisibles. So thanks for stopping on by. Check it out. Stay to the end of the video so you can see some finished product. And hey, check out our swag, Stuartizm.shop, in the description below, and check out other YouTube channels that might be akin to mine. Show them your love, and I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. Thank you to all my subscribers, and hey, you people watching, thank you. We'll see you on the next video. You have a great day. Oh, and a special shout out to my breakfast buddies. Nice couple at the hotel was commenting on my profusely painted attire, so they're now my breakfast buddies. Let's get this bad boy going. We are going to start out our Atrox adventure by going into his skull panel room. Now, I think these are Scare Factory products. They look very cool in the daylight and in ambient light, but I am adding Wildfire optical white on either a full skull or a half of it. So with black lights, he can change it from ambient to UV, and when the optical white is applied, it disappears underneath ambient light. So it's a really cool effect. Paul's going to be able to sit there and have this thing whomping and wailing, coming in and out. It'll have the optical illusion of more dimensionality just than the fact that there are real skulls sticking out of there. It's gonna jump around. It's gonna really freak out the customers. Cue the music. Ooh-wah. Thank you for watching, people. Hey, please subscribe. More to come.